Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the start of our module 3 of our Microsoft Azure learning series. This module is all about core Azure compute services. So we'll be learning various Azure compute services. This module will be very exciting because apart from just learning theories about these compute services, we will also be doing practical and hands-on to actually see how these services works and how we can host our workloads on these compute services. So let's start. Module outline. In this module, we will be learning the following concepts. So it is core Azure compute services, which includes various services like virtual machines, Azure app services, Azure functions, Azure container instances, ACI, Azure Kubernetes services, AKS. So we will be learning all of these compute services individually in the subsequent videos. In this video, we will be learning just Azure virtual machines. So let's start. Core Azure workload products. So let's see what is Azure Compute Services. Azure Compute is an on-demand computing services that provides computing resources such as disks, processors, memory, networking, and operating systems. So as we all know that what is infrastructure as a services and what is platform as a service and what is software as a service. So some of the Azure compute services fall into these different categories like Azure virtual machines fall into infrastructure as a service, app services and container instances fall into platform as a service. So these compute services fall into these different categories. So let's see what all we are getting in compute services. So disk. So we get a hard disk and HDD and SSD to store our data. Processors to process the data means virtual CPU. Memory, that is RAM. So to store the working data, because as the processor needs to process that data, so that data is stored in RAM. Then networking, so that various compute resources can communicate with each other using the networking. And then the operating system, which is very much required for any computer to run. Okay, so these are all provided with the Azure compute services. So it's an on-demand computing service, means whenever you want you can get, and whenever you don't need it you can release. So it's an on-demand computing service. Compute means to the services which are used to process our data and also to host our applications and different workloads. Let's see, we will be seeing just virtual machine here. What is virtual machine service? In the next videos, we will also be seeing what is Azure app service and various other services. So let's see what is Azure Virtual Machine. Azure Virtual Machines are software emulations of physical computers. So this is not very new thing. Means you all have your laptops and computers, right? So you have them locally present physically with you. So you have your laptops and computers physically present in front of you. So those laptops and computers contains all of the components which we have already seen. Means they your laptop has disks, processors, memory, and the operating system, networking also like an IC card, etc. So these are present with us locally, means in the form of laptop. So Azure virtual machines means virtual in the sense ki you have your virtual machine running in the Azure data center. You just have to access them. Means all of these components are present virtually in the Microsoft Azure data center. Your virtual machines mean your CPU, your RAM, your memory will all be running in the server which is present in the data center. You can just virtually access them. So it includes virtual processor, memory, storage, and networking. It's an IaaS offering, means infrastructure as a service offering, means you are provided with the various infrastructure like hard disk and the virtual machines. which is running in the physical server, that provides total control and customization. As when you need, you can customize them. Means what all, how much vCPU you need, how much RAM you need, you all can customize that, and you have the control over that. Means how much storage you need, like 50 GB, 100 GB. So you can customize that also. So it is nothing but your computer is running in the Microsoft Azure data center. So it is virtual machines. I hope you all understood the concept. Means how these virtual machines are running in the physical server. Means we have a large big server, and those servers are virtualized. Okay, using the various virtualization technology, and so that various virtual machines can run on a single server. So these virtual machines run with the help of virtualization technology, and they provide us with the various resources like processor, memory, storage. So it's like a complete computer to us, which we can access, and those are running in the Microsoft Azure data center. So thank you for watching. I hope you understood what is virtual machine service. In the next video, we will actually be creating virtual machine in the Azure portal, which will actually be running in the Microsoft Azure data center, and we will see how we can access that virtual machine. Okay, thank you. Bye.